Hello students, today we are going to start our lecture number 3. In this lecture we shall learn some more basics of Microsoft Windows. In this lecture we shall cover how to navigate windows and folders, MS Paint, sizing, moving and arranging windows, understanding files, folders and libraries, what is library, hiding and displaying files and folders, Windows system folders, navigating to a shared folder, Windows search. MS Paint. In this application we can draw different objects, we can fill different colors, and it will give us good control of mouse. Here you see, click Windows Start button, type Paint in search bar, press enter, MS Paint will open. Let's start to open this application. Here is the start button and this is the search bar. Here I write Paint and then enter. It will open the Paint application. There is another method on how to open this application. Click Start button, select Paint. Now let's open MS Paint. Here is the Start button and then here is the Paint, and once I click on it then it will open. Here as usual on the top it is the title bar. As I have not saved this file, so its title is not given, due to which it is given untitled. Paint is the name of the application. Here are the quick toolbar. Here are tools which we can perform, and when I select home, then home related options are given, and similarly view options are given when I click on the view tab. These two tabs, and here is the drop down. You can open new file, open, save your file, save as. Once you have saved a file and then you want to save it with some another name, then you click save as, print, send in email, properties and so on, exit if you want to close the application. Here in this software I can draw some objects. Here is the circle. I'll draw circle. Here is the color of the boundary. I want to fill it with green color, then I'll select this bucket, then I'll click on green. Here I'll click inside the boundary and it will fill it. Similarly I can resize it. Here horizontal is 100. I'm giving it 90 and the size of the circle is changed. I can rotate it. Here I can rotate it, you can see it here. Similarly I can draw some more pictures. You can improve your mouse control by using this application. Similarly you can do some more activities as well in this application. Here you can save the file if you don't want to save, then, or if you have mistakenly click on the close button, then you can cancel it. You can save from here. You can also save the file from here, save as and so on. So I'm going to close this application and then I'm going to move. We shall discuss sizing, moving and arranging windows. Move your cursor to the title bar, double click, move where you want, click on the restore button on top, move your cursor at the border of your windows. As I have opened my Paint, here is the Paint maximize button. Once you have maximized it, then it will convert to the restore button. It will reverse the window on as it was in the previous stage. Double click on it to maximize it. Similarly you can double click again to restore it. You can resize it by dragging from one side to the other. You can also move from here to down or up. Similarly you can move from bottom and from left as well. It is resizing, arranging and moving. You can drag the application from its title bar. As here from your mouse you can drag and put anywhere on your screen. I'm going to close it again, and now we are going to move the next step. Understanding files, folders and libraries. What is file in computer? A file is an object on a computer that stores data, information, settings or commands used with a computer program. A computer has three types of files: application files, data files, system files. What is folder? Directory in computer. Folder is also called a directory. A folder is a storage space or container where many files can be placed to organize the computer. A folder can also contain other folders. What is library? In computer science, a library refers to a collection of pre-compiled reusable files, functions, scripts, routines and other resources that can be referenced by computer programmers, often for software development. Hiding and displaying files and folders. Select the Start button, select Control Panel, Appearance and Personalization, select Folder Options, select View tab. Under Advanced Settings, select Show Hidden Files. These are the steps from where you can select or deselect the option. I'm going to perform it. Here are the pictures of kids. So I'm going to hide a picture. Picture number 14 is hidden. Now I want to unhide it. So Start button, select Control Panel, Appearance and Personalization. Here Start, Control Panel. Here is the Control Panel. Appearance and Personalization. From Folder Options, Show Hidden Files and Folders. Click on it and here Show Hidden Files and Folders and Drives. I will click it, then apply, OK. Here the hidden file is shown. Although it is hidden, but it is shown. Its property is still hidden. You see it, it is hidden. I would click it again. Now it is not hidden. I would apply it and OK. In this way you can hide or unhide different kinds of files. Now I'm going to move on to the next. Windows system folders. Most system files of a Windows operating system are stored in the folder C, Windows, especially in such subfolders as System32 and Sys WOW64. You will also find system files in a users folder, for example app data, and application folders, for example program data or program files. So we don't need to do anything with these system files because our system would not work properly if any harm comes to a system file. So it is enough to understand that system files are mostly reside on drive C. The next topic is navigating to a shared folder. There are a couple of ways to connect to a folder that has been shared over the network. The fastest way is by typing the Universal Naming Convention UNC path in the Start Run dialog box. The UNC defines the path to a shared folder using the format. It is used mostly when we work on the network and we need to access a folder that is shared on a it is another way to move to the shared folder. Windows search. To get search results from your PC, click search icon and type what you are looking for in search box. Here you can search from here. It is the search program to search a program, and if you want to search a file, then you can move here in the folder from where you can search. Suppose I want to search a file from drive D, then I would search it by typing here. I would write the name of the file or folder I want to search. It will search on the drive D. Here the green progress bar is moving, which shows that the computer is searching my required file. Thank you.